Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. So I got these out. I'm getting ready to put them on the trailer, but I already did this, but I thought, you know, it might be something some of you may not know. I can't afford all the fancy equipment that sends electricity and has the gadgets and gizmos on it. So I tend to use this a lot for that. Go check it out. I either will or already have a video on replacing the battery in this to make it basically brand new for a lot less than what it costs to even get one at Harbor Freight. So regardless, I got this on now, and I have hooked to the ground cable this clamp here, this little wire, and on your core or on your wire here, the one that kind of stands alone that's covered up, the female is what it would be, is the ground. So you want to take that and stuff that in there. I gotta get a little gator clip, whatever you have. I've made these up so they work. And then on this end I have the female one that goes on to the male, 3 male ones. And one should be right. Hey, lucked out. There's your right one. One should be left. There you go, there's that one. And one should be brakes or both, which is that one right there. Which is kind of dim, surprisingly. I don't think the grounds on these are all that great. That's why I'm having problems with the ground on the one that's on there right now. So regardless, I know these worked. I bought them a while back thinking I was going to get to this sooner and didn't, and so I wanted to test them, make sure they were working, and that's a good way to do that. If you plan on something and it's not going to happen, and you order these up or something like this, or just want to test them before you go through all the work of putting them on your trailer to find out they don't work, there's a good little tester right there, way to test it anyway. Well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.